In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe a customer from marketing emails on Shopify. This is really useful if a customer reaches out asking to stop receiving your promotional messages, or if you just want to manually manage who gets your marketing emails. I'll walk you through the steps slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin account. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, orders, products, and customers. Make sure you're on the correct store, especially if you manage more than one, so you don't edit the wrong customer by mistake. Once you're on the admin dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see several options like orders, products, and so on. Click on Customers. This section contains a list of all the customers who have interacted with your store, including those who have placed orders and those who have subscribed to your marketing. After you click Customers, you'll see a list of customer profiles. This list can include people who are subscribed to your store's marketing emails, as well as those who are not. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific customer you want to unsubscribe, either by their name or email address. Once you've found the right customer, click on their name to open their customer profile. This page shows you detailed information about that customer, including their contact details, order history, and marketing preferences. Now, look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the customer information area. This is usually a small menu button that reveals additional options. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, choose Edit Marketing Settings. When you select Edit Marketing Settings, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you'll see a checkbox labeled something like Customer agreed to receive marketing emails. To unsubscribe the customer from your marketing emails, simply uncheck this box. This tells Shopify that the customer no longer wants to receive promotional email communication from your store. After you've unchecked the box, make sure you click Save. This step is important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. Once you save, the customer's marketing status is updated, and they will no longer receive marketing emails sent from your Shopify store.